This unit focuses on overcoming regular problems that may occur during stitching. By the end of this unit, a student will be able to identify errors that may occur during stitching, explain the cause of errors, list ways to avoid errors,
troubleshooting, and their remedies. In this exercise, a student will learn sewing problems occur during stitching time, like a loose stitch, thread breakage, escape stitch, puckering problem, etc. First, we will discuss loose stitch problem. Loose stitch, when we are stitching, it is visible lower side of the ply, means improper threading, improper needle system, improper bobbin and needle thread tension, improper feed timing. Their remedies: threading should be done properly through thread guides, use the appropriate needle system, maintain optimum bobbin and needle thread tension, feed timing should be accurate. The second one is thread breakage problem. Causes: improper threading, improper bobbin and needle thread tension, wrong needle system, needle blunt and bend, weak thread, improper needle bar height, improper needle to hook timing, improper needle to hook clearance, improper needle fixing. Remedies: needle should be straight with a sharp tip. Lubrication should be proper. Needle to hook clearance and timing should be proper. Bobbin case should be polished. All thread guides should be followed while threading. Skip stitch problem. Causes: incorrect needle size, style or thread size, poor thread loop formation, incorrect sewing tension in needle or bobbin, flagging of fabric due to improper pressure. Remedies: adjust pressure foot for pressure and needle thread and bobbin thread tension. Use a reinforced needle for replace the needle. Use superior spun polyester or filament based thread. Change needle size or style. Next is puckering. Causes: improper threading, different needle system, improper needle and bobbin thread tension, feed dog height is more, improper pressure foot pressure, needle is blunt. Remedies: machine threading should be proper, appropriate needle system should be used, needle and bobbin thread tension should be proper, feed dog height should be accurate, pressure foot pressure should be accurate.
You have come to the end of this unit. To summarize, in this unit, you have been familiarized with way to overcome regular problems that may occur during stitching. You now have a sound knowledge of why errors occur and have been instructed on how to avoid them. Thank you.